One Up on Wall Street by Peter Lynch. Introduction. Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of investing with the classic book, One Up on Wall Street by Peter Lynch. This isn't just any investment book, it's like the secret sauce of finance books. Think of it as the Harry Potter of the stock market world, filled with magic but without the wands and spells. Peter Lynch, the legendary investor and former manager of the Fidelity Magellan Fund, takes us on a journey through his investment philosophy and strategies. First published in 1989, this book has been guiding investors for decades. Lynch's main message? Individual investors, yes, folks like you and me, can beat the pros if we use our own insights and do our homework. Now, grab your popcorn, because we're going to explore how Lynch's advice can turn you from a stock market newbie into a savvy investor. Let's start with the basics of what Lynch teaches us in this gem of a book. Highlight and summary. So, what's the secret sauce Lynch talks about? It's all about using your unique position as an individual investor to your advantage. Lynch believes that you can spot great investment opportunities right under your nose before Wall Street does. Imagine seeing a new coffee shop on your street that's always packed. Lynch would say, "Hey, that might be a great stock to buy." Lynch's investment philosophy. Lynch's philosophy is simple yet powerful. Individual investors have an edge over big institutions. Why? Because we can spot trends in our daily lives and invest in what we know and understand. He calls this the buy what you know principle. It's like using your shopping skills to pick stocks. If you're obsessed with a new product, chances are others are too, and the company making it might be worth investing in. Investment strategies. Lynch doesn't just tell us to buy what we know, he dives deeper into how to pick the right stocks. His strategies revolve around a bottom-up approach. This means focusing on individual companies rather than getting lost in market trends. He wants you to be a detective, digging into a company's performance, financial health, and future potential. He also introduces us to the concept of 10-baggers. These are stocks that can increase tenfold in value. Think of them as the unicorns of the stock market. Finding one is like striking gold, and Lynch gives us the tools to find these hidden gems. Types of stocks. Lynch categorizes stocks into 6 types, each with its own characteristics and potential rewards. It's like having a diverse menu to choose from. Slow growers. These are companies with steady but slow growth, like your favorite old restaurant that never changes but is always reliable. Perfect for conservative investors looking for stability. Stalwarts. Big, established companies that grow steadily. Think of them as the sturdy oak trees in the forest of the stock market. They're good for those who want moderate risk and reliable growth. Fast growers. These are the exciting, high-growth companies. They're like the hot new trends everyone is talking about. High risk, but if they succeed, the rewards can be huge. Cyclicals. Companies whose performance depends on the economy's ups and downs. Investing in these is like riding a roller coaster, timing is everything. Turnarounds. These are companies in trouble but with potential to bounce back. High risk, but if you spot the right one, it's like betting on an underdog that wins. Asset plays. Companies with valuable assets not reflected in their stock price. It's like finding a hidden treasure chest. Stock selection criteria. Now, how do you choose the right stock? Lynch gives us a checklist. Financial health. Look for strong balance sheets and manageable debt. Imagine you're checking the health of a marathon runner. You want someone who's fit and can go the distance. Growth potential. Consistent earnings growth and good future prospects. It's like picking a racehorse. You want one that's fast and has the potential to win many races. Valuation. You want to buy stocks that are fairly priced or undervalued. It's like getting a great deal at a sale. You want value for your money. Company characteristics. Look for companies with competitive advantages and strong management. Think of them as the superheroes of the business world, with unique powers and strong leadership. Catalysts. Identify events or changes that could drive stock prices up. It's like predicting the next big twist in your favorite TV show. If you get it right, it's thrilling. Writing style. What makes Lynch's book so engaging is his writing style. He uses personal anecdotes and real-world examples to make complex financial concepts easy to understand. It's like having a chat with a wise and witty uncle who's sharing his life lessons. Lynch balances technical details with practical advice, making the book both educational and entertaining. Conclusion. So, what's the final verdict on One Up on Wall Street? This book is a must-read for anyone interested in investing. Lynch's insights are invaluable, and his approachable style makes it accessible to both beginners and seasoned investors. Overall thoughts. Lynch's main message is empowering. Individual investors can achieve significant success by leveraging their unique perspectives and doing thorough research. His emphasis on long-term investment over short-term speculation is a refreshing antidote to the get-rich-quick mentality that often plagues the stock market. Key points. Use personal knowledge, invest in what you know and understand. Do your research, focus on individual companies and their fundamentals. Diversify, understand the different types of stocks and their characteristics. Be patient, think long-term and avoid the temptation of short-term trading. Recommendation. I highly recommend One Up on Wall Street to anyone looking to improve their investment strategy. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned investor, Lynch's wisdom will guide you towards making smarter investment decisions. Final reflections. Lynch's book remains relevant and influential even decades after its publication. His practical advice and engaging writing style make it a timeless classic in the world of finance. It's a reminder that with the right approach, anyone can achieve significant investment success. So, pick up a copy, dive in, and start your journey to becoming a savvy investor. Happy reading and happy investing!